My name is Peter. I'm the Partner Relations and Regulatory Compliance Manager for a family-owned trekking company. I give KeepTruckin 5 stars out of 5. For more reviews like this, click the link below. Before we started using KeepTruckin, we were using Omnitrax XRS. We were actually 4 years into a 5-year contract when we started up with KeepTruckin. We've kept in contact with ELD providers, even though we were in a contract to see what developments were made. KeepTruckin contacted us as a follow-up, and it was perfect timing for us to be open to a new ELD provider. They had some amazing new features that they had added since the 4 years we had originally looked at KeepTruckin. And they obviously had continued to make improvements to their product, unlike our current service provider. We decided to move to KeepTruckin for a variety of reasons. I have to start out with the fact that there was an excellent salesmanship explaining all the different features and benefits from their product that they had made over the years. It wasn't high pressure, but it was enough contact that it was obvious that the person was trying to help our company. It was interesting because during the process of talking to their individual, we had one of our trucks get into a major accident. It actually overturned, and the inexpensive dash cam that was in the windshield was not operable. So none of this was caught on video. The driver was out of route on a non-truck route. It became obvious that KeepTruckin integrated with their dash cams, and the fact that they have superior to what we were using at the time tracking of drivers and alerts that come from it, that was a major selling point. They offered us a great deal, and we decided to make the change before the end of our contract of our current supplier. It was extremely easy to make the change. KeepTruckin definitely made it easier for us. Their technical support people are amazing. I wouldn't even allow our prior service provider for our drivers to talk to them because it just complicated matters. Have no qualms about having our drivers contact directly KeepTruckin support, and that made it a lot easier as we were implementing it. The equipment was easy to switch out, and we had no glitches or problems as we were making the installations in about 15 or 16 of our trucks. So it was a fairly easy process. The training to get drivers initially started took about an hour to 2 hours, depending on the driver, and they were up and running. So we installed the equipment, made the switch, and our drivers were using it as they took off on their trips. Definitely, it's my nature to use all the different features to their fullest, explore the product and what it can do for you. The safety features are definitely a added benefit. You're able to look at, if you incorporate it with your dash cams, you're able to look at real-time events and videos of them. They make a lot more sense than just getting an alert or a report that something happened. There's a safety scoring system for drivers. I would definitely implement that. Our drivers have embraced that, and there's a little bit of a competitive aspect to that makes it a positive experience. Reach out whenever you have questions to their customer and technical support people. You talk to someone right away. You don't have to wait for a callback or a response. They're knowledgeable, and they get back to you quickly when they need to get back to you. So definitely use that to the fullest. The added thing was, we integrated it with our dispatch software. That is a tremendous value to us when we can have that two-way communication between KeepTruckin and our dispatch system, not just to send dispatches, but also to automate the arrival and departure times of shippers and receivers, as well as communications and document management and exchange.